Hello everyone, welcome. This is Tarek, and today I'm going to introduce to you ZaCloud.net. Is ZaCloud basically is a fully managed cloud VPS platform that enables you to publish any application in any framework or programming language or any website or any database in no time and with few clicks. Basically, if you go to the platform, I will be leave the link in the comment, ZaCloud.net. You will find all information you need to know about this platform. And basically, when you are going to deploy an application or website to public, you should be taking care of multiple things like setting up your server, setting up your cloud environment, setting up your application environment that will run the application. On our platform, you don't need to care about anything like this. You don't need to care about backups. You don't need to care about your infrastructure. You don't need to care about security. You don't need to care about anything related to setting up your application environment because you only give the source code to ZaCloud.net, and automatically your application will be deployed um, in within few clicks and in no time. And what we are doing actually, we allow you to buy servers from multiple providers, including we have some integrations with many providers like Google Cloud, Linode, Vultr, and AWS. And once you go to the website, you will find all the information you need. And if you go to the pricing page, you will find multiple providers that we are integrating with, and you will find multiple price ranges based on the server capabilities and server specs you want to buy. For example, I'm selecting Linode here, and I want the shared CPU category, and you will find servers starting from 3.3 per month, and it's fully managed for one core CPU, 1 GB memory, 25 GB storage, and 1 TB bandwidth. And you will find a lot of you will find a lot of pricing ranges based on the server specs you want. For me, for example, if I select this one, you will see this pop-up. If you are not logged into the your account, you will find this pop-up appears asking you if you want to log in or sign up to complete the purchase. So for me, I will be going to login. So basically, this is my account. So I will be login. I already have an account. If you don't have an account, you will be able to create an account using by going to ZaCloud.net, and you will find here get started button. You will find this form. You can fill all information about you. It's basic information. We are asking for first name, last name, username, email, and your country and password. And after that, there is a verification email will be reaching to you. So you will be used this verification code to verify your account. And to verify your account, you will find verify account link attached here to verify your account. And once you have created your account, basically you will be automatically and selected your server, you will be redirected to this dashboard that asks you we have asks you for some information to fill to create your server. And basically, the project you have, we have the concept of projects, and projects, not just anything except a folder that you are, or a group. You are grouping your server in specific folders. So, for example, you might have multiple projects, and in each project you will have servers, and in each server you will have applications. And one more thing I didn't mention, that servers, you can deploy multiple applications or multiple websites on the same server without any problem. So now we are going to create a server. This is the name of the project. If you don't have a project, you can click and create project, and this pop-up will appear to fill your project name, and it automatically will be created. And after that, you can fill the server name. For example, I will name this as testing dash that dash intro, and I will be providing this domain SSL email. Basically, this email will be used to automatically issue SSL certificates on your behalf. So any website or any application you are going to deploy is automatically SSL has automatic SSL certificate and secured by default. So we need an email to issue this SSL certificate, and this is for free. So you provide this email to automatically issue SSL certificate. So I will be providing, for example, this email, and I will be adding. This is a type of backup now. You will, if you look, you will find this. We have something called offsite backup. We automatically backup your server and your applications based on configuration you provide, and this backup is offsite backup goes to remote cloud storage. Actually, it's hosted on Microsoft Azure Blob Storage. And you can select the location of your server. We have a wide range of locations where you want your server to be deployed there. So for me, I would be choosing Singapore, for example, and you will find this is the range of your server you will be purchasing your server for. For example, you can purchase the server for 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, and for example, I'm selecting here the server will be purchased for 3 months, and this means the server subscription will be renewed every 3 months. You will find here the checkout summary. You will find the plan you have purchased, some information about it, multiple three because I purchased it 3 months, so it's times three, and this is a backup 3 cents per gigabyte hosted on Microsoft Azure Blob Storage, and basically this storage price will be calculated after 1 month. So we will see how much backup you consumed, and we will calculate the price of backup. And you will find this is the original price of the server, but we have a discount on 3 months, so 70% discount is applied here, and you will find this is the total price I will be paying. And this is the account balance. In case you have already account balance, so the total price will be deducted from the account balance, so the amount to pay is zero. And in case of you have a special coupon, you can provide your coupon code here, and discount will be automatically applied. And after finalizing all this information, I can click on create subscription. Basically, you will find this screen shows telling you that we are provisioning the server, creating the server on the provider. You will find here server is created on the provider, and currently we are initializing the server because server takes some time to be initialized. It takes about 5 minutes to finalize the initialization process and to be ready to be working on. So I will be back once this finished. Okay, so after the server have been created, you will find automatically redirect you to this dashboard. So you will find here everything related to the server. But before showing you this, let me go back to the home page of this dashboard. As I mentioned, once you uh, log in or create your account, you will be redirected to this dashboard, and you will be managing everything related to your account on your servers, your applications from this dashboard, which is console.zacloud.net. So if you go to the homepage, you will find this is the project I have. You can create multiple projects as you want, and inside these projects, you put your app servers inside it. So I will be going to this project. You will find this is the server I have created. This is the ID of the server. This is a quick summary of how many servers you have in this project, how many storage, how many gigabyte, and so on. So you'll find here is the location I have. This is the current status of the server. It's running right now, and this is the CPU. And this is the memory, this is the storage of the server, and this is the public IP version 4 and public IP version 6. When I click on the server, I'll be redirected to the dashboard of the server. So this dashboard of the server shows some information, important information about the server. This is the specs of the server. On the left side, you'll find the CPU, memory, you'll find the storage, IP version 4 and IP version 6. And you'll find here some server credentials in case you want to log into the server using SSH or FTP. And you will find here quick, on the right side, you will find quick interactive and live analytics about the server. For example, it shows here the percentage of CPU consumption, percentage of memory, percentage of storage consumption. And if you go to statics tab, you will find some information about, as well, and analytics about the server performance related to the storage, CPU, and memory. And you can see, for example, along 1 hour how the server was behaving. Okay, this is also live analytics about the server capabilities, and you can see the live one. It's automatically updating and show how this server was behaving. And if you go to the apps tab, this is where you deploy your application, and I will be talking about this in the next tutorial. But for now, we will show a quick information about the server. And if you go to the settings, here you can manage the server. For example, if you want to change your server password, you want to rescale your server in case you want, for example, to upgrade your server specs from 1 gigabyte to something else, you can see a list of available server plans you can upgrade to. And on top of this, you can also have the functionality of cloning the server in case you want to create a new version or create a new instance from the same server, having all applications you have on this server, deploy them in another server. You can use clone server to copy your current server to new server. If you clone it, basically you can select what project you want to clone the server to, and you can clone everything on the server to another server, new server you will be creating. And adding to this, you will be also, if you want to delete the server, you have the delete server functionality if you don't need your server anymore. And there's one important thing as well. There is the ID of the server, and basically this is a unique identifier for your server. So you, in case of you want to use contact customer support or do anything, you can use this ID to be able to automatically identify the server. And this is everything about the server, how to manage it, how to do all these stuff on the server. In the next tutorial, I will show you how to create an application on or deploy an application with few clicks on the server. That's it, and thank you.